Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add electric radiation on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And now you just click on the body effect. And then at the menu you can swipe until you can see decoration. You can click on it, and after this you can see this is the electric radiation effect. You can click on it and then click check icon in here. Now you can set the effect. You can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the for the size, for the color, and for the vertical shift. And after this you can click check icon at the bottom. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add electric radiation on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.